Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the kill switch in Windscribe in 2026. If you want to protect your privacy by preventing internet traffic from leaking when your VPN disconnects, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open the Windscribe app on your computer and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Next, click the menu or settings icon to open the application's preferences. Now look for the connection or security section, depending on your version of the Windscribe app. Next, find the kill switch feature, which may also be labeled as firewall in some versions of Windscribe. Now turn on the kill switch or enable the firewall feature to protect your internet connection. Next, confirm any permission requests if your operating system asks for network access or administrator approval. Now connect to any VPN server and wait until the connection is established successfully. Next, test the feature by disconnecting the VPN briefly and confirming that your internet traffic is blocked until the VPN reconnects. Now reconnect to the VPN and make sure your internet access is restored normally. Finally, keep the kill switch enabled whenever you're using the VPN to maximize your privacy and prevent accidental data leaks. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the kill switch in Windscribe. Your internet connection is now better protected if the VPN connection is interrupted. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.